everyone, it's Jill. Welcome to What Is It Wednesday. Every single week we give you some hints about a kitchen tool and a food item, and you have to guess. We've had some great guesses. It's been a lot of fun. Are you ready for today? Okay, let me give you some hints about our kitchen tool. Okay, number one is you use it to spread. Any guesses? Number two hint, it usually has a handle. Number three, you might use this to spread with eggs. Very interesting. Next hint is this tool has bristles. Do you know what it is? Number five hint. A lot of people use this to spread melted butter. Any guesses? You're right. It is a pastry brush. Or I have one like this, or I have one like this. They have bristles on them. They're nice because if you need to spread something on top of like melted butter on toast, I use it to spread melted butter on the top of pie crust. People use it to spread egg wash on top of some baked goods before they bake it. You can use it for a lot of different things. It's really great. Just make sure that you wash it really well and let it air dry before you put it back in your cupboard, because you want to make sure the bristles don't stick together and that they dry really well. Okay, you ready for your food? Now, this isn't something that you would normally just eat yourself. You use it in making food. You ready for your hints? Okay. First hint, and you're probably going to get it with the first hint, but it's made with corn. Any guesses? Second hint. You have to dry it out, the corn, before you can make this. Any guesses? Some people use it instead of flour. Third hint. You might really like this if you love taquitos. Yes. You already guessed it? You definitely would use this ingredient if you were making cornbread muffins or cornbread, which I love. Do you guys love cornbread? Yum, yum. All right, I'm sure you've guessed it by now. This is cornmeal. Cornmeal. And cornmeal is basically just corn that they've dried out and they've crushed it. I have a little spoon here to show you kind of what it looks like. Looks like this. And you use it to make corn tortillas, you use it to make cornbread, and there's all kinds of recipes that you can make with cornmeal. It's really, really good. One thing to note though is you want to make sure that you keep it airtight before you use it. If you've opened it up, make sure it keeps there, because there's these little bugs that like to get into cornmeal and they will actually sabotage your whole cornmeal. So you want to make sure you cover it up really, really well after you open the box or the can. Okay, we will see you next time.